Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn in Laravel how to fix this error. It says error attempt to assign property name on null. My my stress was like when I say property name, I thought that the name like first name, something like that, that's the way it has a problem. So I kept on checking and I never got something. Alright, so and the issue is not name, that the property name. Check all your properties, not just the any of them called name, right? So for instance, I got to go here, especially it has happened when I'm trying to do what they call editing. So I wanna edit this, I wanna edit this, and I put bbc@gmail.com. okay, update. You can see test me this, but also it gives me to amazement, it gives me line 32 where there is name, and that's not the issue. The only problem is because it starts here, though the error is somewhere else, but it shows this line, and this line is not the conflict. You can see how coincident it came, that name. You get me? So what you got to do is you go to your page where you want to edit, where there's a HTML. In my case is this edit blade at something. So on that, check your name, data name, and name of the name. If it's fine, then go back to your controller and check like this, name. If that is super fine, then you say how many properties I'm bringing in. So how many fields I want to do? The 1, 2, 3, right? That's good. So then you can go here and say, okay, here how many I got. Remember, I have our hidden field, of which we're not going to count. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, right? Okay, then say the first one we checked it, then the second one is email, right? And I go in here and check email. The same thing you're going to do in your database table. You got to go there and check if it's email named correctly, and name named correctly, each and every field which you want to update. Go there. After reaching there, we go to this step by step 3. It's a ID number, member ID. You can see the issue here. Here I say ID number, and this is member ID. Why do I need to update ID number, not member ID? Well, we go to our Laravel. Let's check. What do you want to? I want to update this to this. Okay, let me go back. Okay, I need the ID number also. Okay, go here. Okay, I need an ID number. Okay, that's fine. So if I need an ID number, then it's fine. So which means in my Laravel, I got to go to, instead of taking member ID, I'm going to take ID number and change it to ID number. Then I save my stuff. After saving, I go to member controller. You see member ID instead of ID number. I change that to ID number. So make sure all those, the editing page, the HTML page, and your controller in the function, all fields are corresponding 100%. Also with your DB table. Okay, after saving that, okay, now I'm gonna go and check Okay, I'm gonna go here randomly. I check this guy. I'm gonna change this, all of it. I'm gonna put the ID number to be 6767 whatever. Then email address, I can make it online at view to tech.com. Okay, name I'm gonna say Basonia. Okay, then after that I'm gonna update. Wow, you can see this is done. Basonia. We're gonna go here, give it a new ID number of 99999. Then email address should be bing at viewtotech.com. Right, after doing that, then the name I'm gonna make it to be watch now. And I update. You can see 2 fields are what updated. Right, that's super good. So then I hope that helps, and you can see we ran away from all those issues just by double checking. So you can go if my solution doesn't work for you, but anyway, do see how I did identify everything here in my function. Follow the same steps. You could change a little bit, but your field should be your fields. This is my ID, the ID which is like a primary key, of which is here. It's in the hidden. Remember here, you can see it said find. You can see find. It doesn't look like this, so we use the find function here. And then if you go to your edit, you can see it's also declared, but it's under a hidden file. Hidden what? Component. You can see it here. Well, if that did not work for you, and I hope it works because mine worked, also be very careful the way you name this here, this line. Which line? This line. You get me? So once that's done, I hope you should be fine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you in the next video.